guys, welcome back to Waddler's Toy Cabin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your squishies in case they've got any little rips in them like this. You are going to need some school PVA glue, a small paintbrush or a dotting tool. Firstly, squirt a small amount of glue onto a scrap piece of card or plastic and scoop up a little piece of glue at a time and apply it to where your squishy is slightly cracked. If you pull it back while it's cracked, it has a better chance of sticking together when it's put back. Just be very careful and try not to smother glue in places where it doesn't need to be. Your squishies shouldn't break or crack if you're using them properly and gently, but I did accidentally leave this one in a jumper which I then sat on and didn't really realise. That's how this one got some cracks in it. Once you finish gluing, make sure you let your squishy completely dry before you start using it, otherwise more cracks might appear. When the glue's dry, your squishy is ready to use again, and as you can see, if I peel it back a little bit, that the cracks, they're kind of still there underneath, but the glue is preventing them to, break further. So it's completely fixed, and if you get any more cracks, just repeat the same process with the glue and everything should be fine. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it helped you to fix your squishies, and if you ever do get any more cracks in them, just repeat the same thing with the glue and they should be fine. Be sure to comment down below if you want me to unbox any more squishies on this channel. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!